Alright, so my dad and I are at Cannock Chase today. Going to be doing a big off-piste loop, whilst also taking in some of the red trail called Follow the Dog. And I actually tried to do this trail a couple of days ago, and I got about a quarter of the way around and my rear derailleur snapped. So that kind of sucked, but back at it today. And yeah, I think I'll sort of sprinkle in some of the footage from a couple of days ago. A lot of this riding I've sort of done before, but never joined it all together in a big loop like this. And then some of it's going to be new to me, so hopefully it's good. We've got a little bit of a quick descent down here first. It's quite a nice fast descent, but plenty of roots to catch you out if you're not being careful. And there we go, first descent done. So the weather is absolutely amazing today. It's about 12 degrees, not too warm, but it's a lovely bit of sunshine. Nice light breeze. It feels like spring has finally arrived. And this climb up here is quite technical. We've got quite a few routes, steeper than it looks, and plenty of loose rocks. All right, cracking on to the next one now. This is an off-piste one that someone's actually marked onto Trail Forks, which is kind of nice. Nicknamed as Scarlet Witch, and it's actually fairly long for an off-piste route, but yeah, quite fast, quite flowy, a lot of fun. And we go down again. I think it's pretty much just straight downhill from here. Maybe not. I actually quite like routes that sort of, you know, work their way up and down, because it means that you get a lot more, you know, descent for your climbing compared to when you just point your bike straight downhill. There we go. Conditions seem good. With a little bit of drizzle last night, but mostly it's actually been pretty dry this week, which is really nice. What a day. So I've seen that you can get these little filter bottles, which basically the bottle itself is just a pouch, so it can be rolled up real small, but then the actual top is a water filter, which means that, you know, on a ride like this I could just bring one bottle of water with me but bring this filter pouch, and then anytime you need to refill, you can just, you know, nip to a local stream if there is one, fill up, and it's safe to drink. It's pretty cool. Anyway, we're now in unexplored terrain for me, so haven't ridden around here before, but I think we should be nipping onto a trail, not the road, in a second. And yeah, hopefully it's good. This is more like it. So I was planning on going down there, but looks like it might be a bit of a groan. Let's have a quick peek. Alright, I think I might just crack on from here and sort of hope that we're past the brambles. Although they are very spiky. I think this is part of the fun of off-piste, that, you know, I've got no idea where I'm going at the minute. I mean, I know the direction that I want to go, and I sort of planned out a route using trail forks, but you can't really tell what the trail's going to be like until you get there. Oh, I think the camera just missed that, but just over there there's 4 deer. I'll see whether I can catch them. So I was just trying to catch those 4 deer. I've just turned around, and there must be at least 15 deer up there. Wow. So just behind me was where I got to a couple of days ago before my bike broke. So the rest of this is all unexplored terrain. And yeah, basically the jockey cage of the rear derailleur got snapped back, which meant it wasn't taking up any chain slack and it was just hanging completely loose. So I had to replace it, unfortunately. So one difference between today and a couple of days ago footage is that previously I was using just some sort of little wind mufflers placed over the microphones, but found that I was still getting some wind noise. So I got this big sort of foam case that goes over the whole GoPro, which I think should help cut down on wind noise even more. So once we get to the top of this hill, we just need to cross the road and we'll be on to follow the dog.
Yeah. Otherwise it'll fall off.
Oh boy.
Oh, so close.
I thought you had it there.
Yeah.
Give it a go. Nailed it. Alright, so we're now on Follow the Dock, which is one of the 2 red trails, Cannock Chase. And this section is called Sunner Chain Slapper, and it's real fun. So unfortunately the trail builders haven't been able to work on these trails ever since lockdown came back into effect, so with a lot of people riding the trails and winter conditions, they've sort of taken a bit of a hit. Quite a lot of braking bumps. They could do with a bit of TLC really. It's still great fun to ride. So this bit of the trail called Seven Dwarfs is a great example of some bits that really need looking at, because the first 3 berms are pretty decent, but as you go down, the braking bumps just get gradually worse and worse until you get to this one where they are absolute craters. Still good fun though.
So at this point in the ride we're about halfway around our planned route, and I decided to head through the optional black section. So it starts off with a boardwalk with an L shape, and the sort of corner is made up of rocks, which make it a little bit tricky to get round. And then just afterwards there is a big janky rock garden, and unfortunately as I went down the rock garden I had another mechanical issue with my bike, and it's going to need a service to get it fixed. So kind of a shame, we had to cut the ride there unfortunately, but still overall a great ride and hopefully an enjoyable video too. Thanks for watching, bye bye.